Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created angels. Their number is countless. They perform various duties. Some of them are very big. Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam is so big that if he comes in real form, his head will touch the throne of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and his feet will go to deep into the earth. He has 600 wings. If he opens his two wings, the whole east and west will be covered. Hazrat Israel salam is an angel of death. He is so big that for him all living are like grains in plate. Hazrat Mikael salam is so big, if all water of all oceans is put on his head, even a drop will not be fall down. Hazrat Israfil salam is holding a blower in his mouth. The blower is so big that even the earth and seven skies can be placed in it. He will blows this blower and everything will be destroyed.